If you own a Hyundai that was manufactured from 2007 to 2015, you might have electric power steering, and it might have pieces like what we see here. These are little rubber wheels that interact with one another to help you steer the car. Now, the problem here is, as we can see with this one, it is worn away so that there's very little left to mate with the other rubber wheel. Now, the fact of the matter is that there's a technical service bulletin about this, and it tells the technician exactly what to do. It also says that the warranty on these parts has been extended to 100,000 miles, or I believe 10 years, whichever comes first. Now, the symptom of this is either a thud when you turn the steering wheel or a clicking sound as you are turning the wheel. So if you experience that and your Hyundai is between 2007 and 2015, check to see if the technical service bulletin applies to your vehicle, because this may be the cause and you may have an extended warranty on these parts. So something that Hyundai owners should know about and take advantage of that extended warranty. And if you want more great information about automobiles, check us out at goss-garage.com.